Hello guys, welcome back to another video on AI pin. Today we'll be going over the CryptoPulse bot. When you guys log in and go into your dashboard, you guys have to go into the specialized bot sections and then come to CryptoPulse, which is the first one you guys will see. So what is CryptoPulse? CryptoPulse is basically a real-time crypto update and insights. So if you guys want an AI that tells you about crypto because you guys are big into crypto, then you invest in crypto, this is the perfect AI for you. So what does this do basically? You ask it questions based on crypto analysis. You want tips on crypto. You want to be updated on crypto. You don't know, you don't want to research about crypto. You can just ask the AI. This is what this AI does. So let's put it some prompts, for example. I want to know the update on Bitcoin for the next week and if it will hit $63,500. Yep, and it says it right here. Bitcoin's performance can be influenced by various factors such as market trends, investor sentiments, macroeconomic, and then it says check out the latest trend investments for Bitcoin from our top authors. They share and it gives you a reference link. With a Bitcoin, we'll have next week to turn out a buy rumor. I can't relate to your grief story, but just know that the life is beautiful, and it gives you a whole reference link to everything that you want to go to. If you want to do another thing, you can say, give me information about the best crypto trends this month. And it gave another one right here. Here are some notable crypto trends for this month. Increased institutional adoption, cross-chain solutions, layer 2 scaling solutions, regulatory development, NFT market expansion. As you can see, it gives you a whole list of everything, of all the trends that's going to happen for crypto and all the information about crypto. So if you guys need any help with this or want to know anything about this, come to the crypto section in specialized bot CryptoPulse to help you out. Thank you guys.